I've been seeing these mini finger puffs going viral everywhere, so I bought some. Let's put it to the test. I'm going to do one side with the finger puff and one side with a makeup sponge. Going in with just a little bit of foundation first, blending out the sponge side, now the finger puff side. This side is definitely going to take longer to blend out because it's so much smaller, but it's blending really nicely. I'm excited to try it with concealer. Beauty blender side first. Now the finger puff side. This one is definitely so much better for blending out concealer because you can get right under your eyes. Oh my god, I love how that blended out. Let's set both sides with some powder and let's press it into place. Okay. Same for the other side. Press it into place. The sponge side definitely covers more space, but I feel like the finger puff side, because you're only focusing it on that area, it's given more of like a lifted look to my face. I don't know, is it just me? Be right back. Okay, so here's the end result. My makeup is all done. There isn't a major difference between the two. I do notice that I have a little bit less creasing on the side that I used the finger puff, but both still work great. Honest thoughts, guys, do you notice any difference?